In this video, we're going to talk about the AI template maker. It is now easier than ever for you to set up your template and get exactly the note that you want. So you're going to go to the AI template maker section, go to the AI template maker, and you will see here a couple of methods to set up your template, or to more accurately have the AI set up your templates. So the first method that you can use is Talk to My Template, where you pretty much dictate what you want your template to be. So let's look at an example. Generate a psychiatry-specific template where the history of present illness is very detailed and includes direct patient quotes that support the complaints that the patient mentions. In the family history, make sure to only include psychiatric family history, and always include if the patient affirms or denies any family history of suicide. Insert a detailed psychiatric review of systems specifically, and a default mental status exam. In the assessment, make sure to include DSM-5 codes and ICD-10 codes, and add a billing section that is optimized to reduce insurance denials. Let's leave it at that and just process it. Okay, so it has processed, and as you'll see here, it added the custom instruction for every header that I mentioned. So for example, in the HPI, include direct patient quotes that support the complaints that the patient mentions. Family history, again, always include if the patient affirms or denies any history of suicide. Psychiatric ROS, and same with the instructions that I asked for. It added that I asked for in the regarding the billing and codes. So it also might come up with some macros. If you like them, then great. If you want to add even more, you can click on Add Macro. And if you don't like them at all, you can just delete it. If you have your own, add your own. Now, when it generates the custom instructions for each header, remember that you can always modify them, add to them. You know, this is at least a good starting off point for you to be able to set up your template. If you want, leave it as it is generated, save it, and try it out. And if you don't like it, you can, oops, save it, and you can always come back and edit it. And remember that you can move these around, and whatever order you have it in, the AI will respect. So if you have labs at the top, that's how it'll appear in your note. And delete any that you want, add more headers. It's really, the sky's the limit. It's highly customizable. So the other method that you have to get the AI to make your template for you is click on, let's just restart here, click on Start Template from Sample Note. So I have a sample note here for you. Specifically, it's cardiology specific, so you easily see the headers that it adds in the instructions that goes along with them. So basically it analyzes your sample note and adds the headers that you have in there and comes up with an instruction for each one. So as you can see here, HPI, cardiovascular risk factors, previous cardiac events, that's all I have here, right? And it comes up with a customized instruction for each one. You can add more if you want, you can move them around, add to the instruction again. And remember that you can also add your default physical exam template. If you have one in your sample note, it will add it here. If you are having any trouble with this, or you're still not getting the results that you want, then feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help you out.